Page number 27, sixth Roman 1. Page number 27, sixth Roman 1. Find the equation of the tangent parallel to the line. Given a circle and a line. Line is given x plus y minus 8 equal 0. Find the equation of the parallel tangent. Equation of the parallel tangent. So, these two are the parallel lines. So, x plus y plus k equal to 0. We want this k value. So this line touches the circle. So apply r equal to d formula. R radius, d distance from the center. Distance from the center. Write down. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Center minus g minus f 2 comma minus 3. R value g square plus f square minus 9. G square value 4, f square value 9, minus of minus 12 plus 12, 25, root 25 value 5, r value 5. Next, given tangent line is parallel to this tangent line is parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So write equation of parallel tangent. Parallel tangent is x plus y plus k equal to 0. Therefore, r equal to d. R equal to d. R value 5. D. Distance from the center. Modulus of 2 minus 3 plus k by under root a square plus b square by cross multiplication k minus 1 equal to 5 root 2 k minus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. So k value 1. K value minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Therefore, required tangent is x plus y plus or minus where k value 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. 5 root 2. equal to 0. Next. Next. Eighth Roman, third bit. Show that the line touches the circle. So that means we calculate R equal to D formula. Next, also find a point of contact. Write down. Given circle is S is identically equal to x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14. Capital C 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. Next, R value under root g square plus f square minus c 9 by 4 49 by 4 minus 14 4 LCM 9 plus 49 minus 56 58 minus 56 2 by 4 2 times cancel. So R value 1 by root 2. Next, given line is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So calculate D value. D is a distance from the center to the line. So D equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So take 2 LCM 3 minus 7 plus 2 by root 2. 2 plus 3 5 minus 7 minus 2 by 2 equal to 1. So D equal to 1 by root 2. So R value, D value both are equal to 1 by root 2. So the line touches the circle. Next, point of contact. Point of contact is nothing but put of the perpendicular of the center. Write down. Let P HK be the put of the perpendicular of C on the line L. H minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. First simplify this one. Minus of 2 LCM 3 minus 7 plus 2 by 1 plus 1. 5 minus 7 minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. So this is 1 by 2. So first calculate h value. h minus 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. h equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 LCM 4 by 2 equal to 2. Next, k plus 7 by 3, 7 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So k value 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2 minus 6 by 2 minus 3. Therefore, point of contact is 2 comma minus 3.